The Federal Reserve keeps on raising interest rate. Are banks about to get destroyed? In today's video, we're going to be having a look at interest rate and Bitcoin to see where these two can potentially go in the near future. And if you guys like these videos, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, turn those notification bells on so you guys never miss a video. And of course, guys, none of this is financial advice, so always do your own research and due diligence. Let's have a look right here on Bitcoin. We could see Bitcoin right now is currently trading right below $30,000, and we could see interest rate are rising once again. The Federal Reserve keeps on interesting. They raised it yesterday by 25 basis points. It seems like Jerome Powell tried or attempt to destroy Bitcoin or create a lot of FUD around it, and guess what happened? That didn't happen. So of course that's his problem. I mean, guys, we're just gonna keep on buying. Every time he says something bad, crypto pumps, and that's about it. So Bitcoin is here to say sorry, Jerome Powell. I mean, I don't know what you're on, but you need to go. So right here, the interest rate decision was obviously 0.25% or 25 basis points right here, which was raised. Are the banks going to keep getting destroyed? What is going on? Will institution keep getting wrecked? We can see right here in a 10-year run, this is obviously the highest the interest rate has been in 10 years, and of course one of the highest since 2008. I believe 2008 we saw approximately 5.5%. Will the Feds keep or are they going to essentially stop raising rates, or are they going to keep interesting? Now the interesting part about this is that the Federal Reserve right now are debating between two things: hyperinflation or interest rate to tame inflation. Okay, because hyperinflation will kill the dollar and high interest rate will balance inflation. But the problem is that during the lockdown and the COVID, the economy stopped for about 2 years, a year and a half, and people weren't spending, people weren't traveling. The US Federal Reserve kept on printing money, and this is essentially what's been happening right now. So when you print money, obviously you're going to lose a lot of value to the US dollar. Crypto is going to go up, risky assets are going to go up. And the interesting thing about all this is that usually when interest rate keeps getting higher and higher, that's when Bitcoin enters a bear market. Now Bitcoin right now is still in a bear market. Just because we're up at $29,000 does not mean we're not in a bear market, right? So we're gonna have to see overall where this goes. The second the Federal Reserve starts to decrease this interest rate, I believe that Bitcoin will enter a massive bull market. I mean, look what happened. We were in a bear market right here. This is when the last bill in 2018 started, when the Federal Reserve starts to raise interest rate little by little. Peaked around right here, and then of course the bull market started in 2020. COVID lockdown, of course, when everything started going down, more people started borrowing money, and that's about it. So when the interest rate are high, less people are borrowing money, of course, and when interest rate are low, more people are essentially buying money. So this is obviously going to be interesting. It seems like this is going parabolic right here. I mean, can we see interest rate above 6%? I feel like if we do, that will create a lot of panic into the market, including Bitcoin, because we haven't seen 6% since 2008, and this can cause a massive recession, which was of course in 2008. Now another thing, Bitcoin has never really been in a recession before, so it's going to be interesting to see where this goes. Bitcoin ranked number 9, 29,342. That's the current price at the moment. Market cap is sitting at $568 million, volume of $20 billion. Billion. We can see in the past day, that was of course the speech of Powell right here. After it, a couple hours after it happened, boom, we started to pump, consolidated, and that's about it. In the past month, I mean, it's been a pretty much has been a roller coaster in the past month, nothing too crazy. But if we have a look at a 3-month time frame, we could see that Bitcoin pumped all the way from $20,000 to 30,000, and we've pretty much been consolidating between 31,000 and 29,000 The main levels I'll be watching for Bitcoin is number 1 would essentially be $25,000. Those are the very important levels. Maybe 26,000, and of course the second level would be $32,000. If any of those break first, that's going to be the next big move for Bitcoin. Right now we are just consolidating. So that is my video, guys, on Bitcoin and market analysis. If you guys like this video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, and I will see you guys in my next video tomorrow.